I failed my promise of keeping these videos short, so here goes a speed run for explaining how we included just a slight bit of machine learning into our pipeline. So what have we done so far? We set up a script for scraping using the Reddit API. We've built a schema for a database that we didn't end up using and instead used pickle files to save our data just to make it easier for deployment. And now we're here. Our data is scraped, saved, and ready to be processed. So we start by, as always, by importing the necessary libraries, mainly to read and process the data. NLTK is the big difference here. It's a very popular and useful library for natural language processing. So the first and only data helper function is get submissions, allowing us to pull from the scraped pickle files of subreddit posts into one large dictionary. Then we have a number of text preprocessing functions, mainly to do with string and regex functions for cleaning the data. In short, we do things like removing punctuation, common English words like the, are, because, etc. And then we put it together in a bag of words dictionary, which is just a count of the number of times that word is present in this post or this submission. And the remaining functions are to aggregate all of this, right? They pull in that full dictionary of submissions, read through the titles and comments, clean all that data, and save that final bag of words dictionary as a pickle file for efficient data grabbing later on. We also do this separated by year for our specific use case. And that's it. That's everything. As you can see, it's very rudimentary natural language processing, but that's the basis for most, if not all, NLP today. And that's all we need for our MVP to prove useful. Now that our data is processed, we'll get into the API.